Hello again. We're going to talk about the Turkish sounds. Continue. Okay, and we will do it through the Türkçe alphabeti, which is the Turkish alphabet. Okay, we start with A is A, B is B, C is C. So A is al, B is bebek, C is in C is Can, Ç, Çam. Okay, that's the sound. A is an al sound. B, bebek sound. C, can. Ç, çam is the sound. D, dede sound. E is el sound. El. F, fare sound. G, gemi sound. There's a silent G, but no word starts with the silent G. But soğan has that soğan silent. Okay. He or H. So I wrote he there by accident. Her. Okay, her. I is ılık. I, iş, iş. J, j. Jambon, jambon. Ka, kalem. Okay. I'm not going through what these words mean, but have an idea about the sound. Okay. A, al. B, bebek. C, can. Ç, çam. D, dede. E, el. F, fare. G, gemi. Yumuşak K, soğan in the middle of this word. H, her. E is in there. I, ılık. I, iş. J, jambon. K, kalem.